Hello ladies and gentlemen, have you ever wondered what it'd be like to own your own bowling alley? Or what about get an amazing deal on billiards, sports memorabilia, restaurant equipment? Well, on October 19th, there is a monolithic event that's coming to the Edmonton and surrounding areas. It's a live and online event. We're selling the complete contents of this place right behind me. No names mentioned whatsoever. It's going to be an unreserved auction. There is a ton of amazing assets. Like I said, there's sports memorabilia, there's even virtual golf, the billiards, the bowling alleys, restaurant equipment, tables, chairs, beautiful millworks galore. We got tons of stuff in store, and what you need to do is you need to watch the rest of this video so you can see all the amazing opportunities that you're gonna have October 19th to bid live and online. Let's take a look right now. Hey, what are you having?